Myself, V. Narayana Babu, lecturer in mathematics, GSI PU College, Mysore. In the last session, we have discussed about the problems on permutations. In this session also, we shall discuss the problems on permutations. Find the number of permutations of the letters of the word committee. So, first we shall find the number of arrangements of the word committee. So, the word committee has 9 letters, in which there is one C and one O, and there are 2 M's and 1 I and 2 T's and 2 E. Therefore, total number of ways equals 9 factorial by, there are 2 M's, so divide by 2 factorial, and 2 T's, divide by 2 factorial, and 2 E's, divide by 2 factorial ways. So, total number of ways equals 9 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Next, A, that is how many of them begin with T and end with T. That means the word should start with T and end with T. So, if we exclude 2 T's in the word committee, the remaining letters are, there is one C and one O is there, and 2 M's, 1 I's and 2 E's are present. So, we have to find the number of ways of arranging the word committee, which should begin with T and end with T. That is, so number of ways equals 7 factorial, that is total number of letters excluding 2 T's is 7. So, it is 7 factorial by, there are 2 M's, divided by 2 factorial, and 2 E's, divided by 2 factorial. Next, B, in how many ways all the vowels are together. So, here there are 4 vowels, that is 1 O, 1 I and 2 E's. They have told that all the vowels are together. So, when the word together comes, what we have to do is, we have to consider them as one unit. So, here there are 4 vowels. So, consider them as one unit. And there is one C and 2 M's and 2 T's. So, total number of units are 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. The letters can be permitted in 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, because in these 6 units there are 2 M's and 2 T's. Therefore, 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, and there are 4 vowels present here. So, the vowels among themselves can be arranged in 4 factorial, that is total number of vowels are 4. So, 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial, because there are 2 is present in the vowels. Therefore, vowels among themselves can be arranged in 4 factorial by 2 factorial ways. Therefore, number of ways is equal to 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 4 factorial by 2 factorial. See, in how many ways no two vowels are together. Since no two vowels are together, we have to arrange these vowels in between the consonants. So, in the word committee, there are 5 consonants and 4 vowels. So, the consonants are C, M, T, T. So, first let us arrange the consonants. C, M, T, T. And the vowels should be in between the consonants. There are 6 places for 4 vowels to be placed. So, these 4 vowels can be arranged in 6 places by 6p4 divided by 2 factorial ways, because in the vowels there are 2 E's. In the vowels there are 2 E's. Therefore, the 4 vowels in 6 places can be arranged in 6p4 by 2 factorial ways, because here 2 E's are there in the vowels. And the consonants can be arranged in 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, because the total number of consonants is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, because there are 2 M's and 2 T's. Therefore, the number of ways will be equal to 6p4 by 2 factorial into 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial ways. So, D. How many of them end with MITE? The word should end with MITE. That means we have to find the number of arrangements excluding MITE, because the word should end with MITE. So, if we exclude the letters MITE, then there will be 1 C and 1 O, 1 M and 1 T and 1 E. Therefore, the total number of the letters will become 5. Therefore, number of arrangements equals 5 factorial. In how many ways can 7 English books, 8 Kannada books and 5 Hindi books be arranged in a shelf? In how many of these A. all Kannada books are together. B. No two English books are together. C. Books of the same language are together. D. All Kannada books are together and all Hindi books are together. So, your first part is, in how many ways can 7 English books, 8 Kannada books and 5 Hindi books be arranged in a shelf? So, there are 7 English books plus 8 Kannada books plus 5 Hindi books. So, 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. So, these 20 books can be arranged in 20 factorial ways. 20 books can be arranged in 20 factorial ways. Next, A. All Kannada books are together. Since all Kannada books are together, 8 Kannada books, 8 Kannada books are to be considered as one unit, are to be considered as one unit. Therefore, there will be 1 unit of Kannada books plus 7 English books plus 5 Hindi books. So, that will be equal to 13 units. So, these 13 units can be arranged in 13 factorial ways. 8 Kannada books can be arranged among themselves in 8 factorial ways. Therefore, the number of ways is equal to 13 factorial into 8 factorial. No two English books are together. Since no two English books are together, we have to arrange the English books in between the other books. So, there are 8 Kannada books plus 5 Hindi books. So, that will be equal to 13 books. And these 13 books can be arranged in 13 factorial ways. That is B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, B9, B10, B11, B12, B13, and the English books has to be arranged in between the other books. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, there are 14 places for 7 English books to be placed and this can be arranged in 14p7 ways. Therefore, number of ways will be equal to 13 factorial into 14p7 ways. So, next see, books of the same language are together. So, here there are 3 languages, that is 7 English books and 8 Kannada books and 5 Hindi books. Let us consider each type of books as one unit, that is we consider 7 English book as one unit plus 8 Kannada books as one unit and 5 Hindi books as one unit. So, total there will be 3 units. Total there will be 3 units. These 3 units can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. And the 7 English books can be arranged among themselves in 7 factorial ways. And 8 Kannada books can be arranged among themselves in 8 factorial ways. And the Hindi books can arrange among themselves in 5 factorial ways. Therefore, number of ways is equal to 3 factorial into 7 factorial into 8 factorial into 5 factorial. So, next D. All Kannada books are together and all Hindi books are together. So, let us consider these Kannada books, that is 8 Kannada books as one unit and 5 Hindi books as one unit, and also there are 7 English books. So, total we have 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9 units. So, these 9 units can be arranged among themselves in 9 factorial ways. 8 Kannada books can be arranged among themselves. 8 Kannada books can be arranged among themselves in 8 factorial ways. And 5 Hindi books can be arranged among themselves in 5 factorial ways. 5 Hindi books can be arranged among themselves in 5 factorial ways. Therefore, number of ways will be equal to 9 factorial into 8 factorial into 5 factorial. That completes this problem. Okay, thank you.